Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Team Trick Box line by EZO e-liquid. The Team is a 70 VG 30 PG line, available in 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine in 100 milliliter bottles. They are also available in short fill bottles so that you can add your own nicotine concentrate or CBD additive. Blue Crushed Lemonade from Team Liquid is a delectable combination of blue raspberry and zesty lemon. The smell is light hints of sugar blended with tart lemon and blue raspberry notes. The inhale is sweet blueberries and raspberries, with tart lemon lingering on the exhale. Electric Sucker Punch from Team Volt is a shocking flavor blast of juicy pineapples and assortment of ripe berries rounded off with fresh kiwis. This is my favorite flavor of the review. For the inhale, I get sweet and smooth pineapple. I think strawberries in the middle with sweet kiwi on the finish. These two flavors contain strong sweet fruit and tart notes. Although both excellent, my favorite was Team Volt. The several flavors taking turns provided a delicious vape. The Team line containers are also the world's first vape trick box. The box has several holes to blow vapor rings through, with different configurations. Just fill the box up with vapor and get creative. The trick box is a cool addition to getting a bottle of e-liquid. After years of vaping, I still suck at blowing vapor rings, so the trick box was fun to use. If you'd like to try the EZO Team line for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.